A visit to the CNIO, Spanish National Cancer Research Center in Madrid, where Marta Isasa and Fernando Garcia used the Thermo Scientific Orbitrap Astral mass spectrometer in their quest to stop cancer.
Hi, I'm Marta Isasa, and since 2023, I'm leading the Proteomics core unit of the Spanish National Center for Oncological Investigations.
Can you explain the mission of CNIO's Proteomics core unit, your role within it, and the goal you aim to achieve?
Basically, our main goal is to transform biological samples, you frame it, cells, tissues, plasma, extracellular vesicles, into meaningful, robust quantitative proteomics data, so that our collaborators can use this data to answer key oncological questions. For example, better understanding of the signaling or resistance mechanism of a drug, or also use this quantitative proteomics data to find out novel, realistic biomarkers. In other words, our aim here in our technological platform is that our collaborators do not use proteomics as a single punctual tool, rather in a more routinary way to answer key biological questions at both discovery and validation phases of any scientific project.
What does CNIO's Proteomics core unit hope to achieve in the long term with the Thermo Scientific Orbitrap Astral mass spectrometer?
So how I see in the near future, our Proteomics core unit is basically benefiting from the Orbitrap Astral to go to a more clinical, larger samples cohort, right? So we believe that proteomics is having and will have an essential role in clinical, and that's what we're trying to go right now by collaborating with national hospitals and also collaborating with the more clinical groups here in our research centers. On the other hand, another important goal of the unit, now that neither the biological samples processing nor the acquisition time on the mass spec are limiting steps right in the core unit, what we're really working now is to combining bioinformatics and AI tools for a deeper, more meaningful, dynamic data analysis. So our collaborators can have the most of their proteomics data.
Hello, my name is Fernando Garcia. I'm working in the Proteomics unit on the Spanish National Cancer Research Center.
Can you share why the Thermo Scientific Orbitrap Astral mass spectrometer was the chosen option for the CNIO's Proteomics core unit?
The sensitivity of Astral allows us to work with any amounts of samples, like samples coming from extracellular vesicles and also from macrometastasis. At the same time, the high speed and the compatibility with very short gradients allows us to process hundreds of samples per day. This is extremely important with our clinical proteomics projects that involves thousands of samples.
Can you share any specific examples or case studies where the Thermo Scientific Orbitrap Astral mass spectrometer has significantly impacted your research?
One of the examples is in the field of high-throughput plasma proteomics. Astral allows us to analyze hundreds of samples per day and going a very high, very deep proteome coverage. This high proteome coverage allows us to discover new biomarkers in plasma. And finally, we can afford the analysis of extracellular vesicles coming from plasma phosphorescence. The amount of protein coming from these samples are very small, and the high speed and the high sensitivity of the Astral allows us to map almost completely the proteome for such vesicles, such as samples.
Thank you to Marta, Fernando, and the whole team at the Proteomics core unit at the Spanish National Center for Cancer Research for all the work that you do.